This episode of Guys Off-Road is sponsored by Baja Designs, the scientists of lighting, and Bestop, the sole supplier of factory soft tops on the Jeep Wrangler since 1986.
Welcome to Guys Off-Road. We're at SEMA 2016 checking out the hottest off-road accessories from Bestop and Baja Designs. Check it out. Hey, it's Art with Guys Off-Road, and anybody who drives a Jeep knows how important it is to have a killer set of aftermarket lighting. And before I get too far into it, we got to find out exactly. Trent, tell us, what is the latest and greatest this year at SEMA 2016?
So our latest and greatest is our Onyx 6 High Power. That's one of the brand new lights that we're debuting here at SEMA, one that our engineers and our entire staff is really excited about, especially since we're all enthusiasts at Baja Designs. It produces 11,500 lumens per 10-inch section and just is an incredible amount of light. And it's equivalent to a 30, 40-inch light bar from any other brand. Just gives you a beautiful blend of light. If you're limited on real estate, you can mount a small light bar, like a 10-inch bar above the winch, and that's it. You don't need additional light.
Now, how about this? You get the amber lighting up here too, sort of mood lighting, right?
It can be considered mood lighting, yeah. So this is our S8. What makes it different and what we're proud of is the housing design. It's got a really trick scalloped bezel, extrusion, rock guards match it as well, amber backlit feature. I mean, we are a performance company. Everyone who runs our product's proud of it. This gives them the option to brag about it and showcase it during the day of, I've got a Baja Designs light and I've got the best.
So Trent, the XL, super popular, super versatile, and now you've got a brand new look for it, different aesthetic, right?
Yeah, we have our new XLR. It's same light as an XL, but with a round bezel, the more traditional, old school look. So someone who likes the halogen and HID styling, but wants the performance of an LED, the XLR is the answer. And it's available in the entire range from the Sport up to the XL80. Same exact price, but it has the old school look.
Yeah, and modern vintage is sort of the new way to go, right? The new technology, but that old school look.
Exactly, and that's what Jeep enthusiasts seem to like, so we heard them and we came out with a product that's been doing really well for them.
Very cool. Now, what's in the pipeline that's not here at SEMA, but you guys are working on at Baja Designs that we can look forward to next year?
So with the acquisition of Bestop, we've been really focusing on Jeep JK specific products and the new Jeep that's coming down the pipeline that we're all really excited to see. So it's going to be plug and play, vehicle specific applications, and some backup lighting. We've got a new taillight that we came out with for the power sports market. That's brake light, tail light, amber dust light, and cargo light. We're going to be making some variations of that product specifically for a Jeep enthusiast.
Well, you mentioned Bestop, and we're going to be visiting Bestop to find out what the latest and greatest is in Jeep tops. So stick around for that on Guys Off-Road. Trent, thanks again, man. Well, at Guys Off-Road, we all know when it comes to Jeeps, one of the main aftermarket products you have to have is a great top. And Rick, you're here to tell us all about Bestop.
So we're launching a new soft top this year. It's the Trek Top NX Glide. And you may have seen the Trek Top NX. It's the frameless system that has the very cool fastback look. And we expanded upon that. We basically added a feature to let it fold down and also took all the zippers out of it. So added the functionality people were looking for, but kept the look.
So for those of us out there who may not know, why go with an aftermarket top and not just something that comes from the factory?
We have the Sunrider for hardtop. That's something that is a sunroof feature you add to your hardtop. And that's for people who maybe live in a city, they don't want to have, a somewhat insecure soft top, I guess, where people can get in easier. Or they just like, the hard top for whatever reason. And it adds a sunroof feature to allow you to get quickly into the open air, and enjoy the Jeep, the way you should.
What's the one thing that everybody comes here to see when they come to Bestop?
Well, Bestop's known for soft tops and Jeep products, so that's the primary thing. They're looking for, you know, what have we done as far as new soft tops, new Jeep products. And yeah, like I mentioned, we have the Trek Top NX Glide. We also have the High Rock 4x4 modular customizable bumper system. We also have something that's pretty cool called the Rough Rider tailgate shelf. That's a little cargo management system for your tailgate, specifically for a Jeep Wrangler. It looks like it was built into the Jeep itself.
So what are the hottest products this year at SEMA? I hear you have something over there that we're going to take a look at?
Yeah, the Trek Top NX Glide. You want to go take a look at it right now?
Let's do it, man.
All right.
So this is the Trek Top NX Glide debuting here at SEMA, correct?
Yeah, it's new for spring 2017 from Bestop. It works off of the Trek Top NX, which people love the fastback styling of the Trek Top NX, but they don't love how it doesn't fold down. So what we did is add a frame system into the Trek Top NX and also eliminated the zippers, also a cause of some frustration for people. And that's how we came up with the Trek Top NX Glide.
And it looks great, the functionality is great, and it's also really durable, isn't it?
Yeah, it uses our acrylic black twill material. It also is available in the standard vinyl, but the one you see here is in black twill. Looks awesome, easy to clean, limited lifetime warranty.
So for those of us who aren't fortunate enough to be here at the SEMA show, how do we find out more about Bestop and where to get your products?
Well, you can go to a local dealer if you have a local Bestop distributor, or you can go to bestop.com and find out all the information you'd like.
Fantastic. Thanks for being on the program. See the fun things you learn right here on Guys Off-Road. Rick, thanks. We really appreciate it, man.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for stopping by.
All right.
We absolutely loved the SEMA show, and we hope you did too.
Check out more of our off-road adventures by subscribing to our channel.